Bicolor cat. A bicolor cat or piebald cat is a cat with white fur combined with fur of some other color, for example black or tabby. There are various patterns of bicolor cat. These range from Turkish band pattern, color on the crown of the head and the tail only, through to solid color with a throat locket. Where there is low to medium grade white spotting limited to the face, paws, throat and chest of an otherwise black cat, they are known in the United States as a tuxedo cat. High-grade bicolor results in band pattern cats. There are many patterns between, such as cap and saddle, mask and mantle and magpie, more randomly splashed. Bicolors are found in many cat breeds, as well as being common in domestic longhair and domestic shorthair cats. Mostly solid color bicolor cats occur because there is a white spotting gene present along with the recessive allele of the agouti gene, which evens out the usual stripe pattern of the colors of the coat. In contrast, tabby cats have an agouti gene that produces striping of the coat. The Abyssinian has agouti, tick tabby, fur, giving the appearance of even color with color-banded hairs. White spotting can also occur with any of the tabby patterns, resulting in tabby and white bicolors. Color point, Himalayan pattern, cats can have bicolor points, although this variation is not recognized for showing. The body markings of bicolor color points become clearer with age, as the body fur of color point cats darkens as the cats grow older and the white patches become more visible. Bicolor cats that are black and white are sometimes called magpies. The cream and white bicolor cat is the rarest of the bicolors, while the black and white or blue, gray, and white are the most common. Grades and frequency in breeds. Bicoloration in cats is graded from 1 to 10, with 1 being completely black and 10 being completely white. There are also several patterns with their own names. The cat labeled bicolor is the preferred pattern in show-quality bicolor purebred cats. Another type of black and white bicolor cat is referred to as a cow cat or moo cat and includes the magpie, cap and saddle and mask and mantle patterns. A cow cat does not have the solid black jacket of the tuxedo cat. Instead, it has large black patches over a mostly white body, often with a black mask over the head. Black mask cats are so called because they look like they are wearing a black mask over their head. The Turkish van, white and red, is one good example of a bicolor breed. Van pattern is known to animal geneticists as the Seychellois pattern and is classified into 3 variants. These are high-grade white spotting of types 9, 8 and 7. This coloration is not restricted to a specific breed of cat, as it can be found in many different types of pure breed as well as mixed breed domestic cats. However, some breeds are especially noted for having bicolor coats in their breed standards. These include the Turkish van, American Shorthair, Manx, British Shorthair, and Turkish Angora. In contrast, other common breeds of cat have specific coat patterns specified in their breed standards. These cats are therefore never seen in the bicolor pattern. Cats with such specific coat patterns include the Russian Blue, which has a coat of 1 solid color. Genetics of coat patterns. The basic colors and patterns of cat fur are defined by fewer than 10 genes. Cats with white color in their coats are thought to have a mutant white spotting gene that prevents the formation of coat color and patches over the cat's body. This gene has been investigated in several species, particularly mice, and is co-dominant to normal coat color as it prevents the migration of melanocyte into the developing hair follicles. The genetics of this pattern are not as well understood in cats, but at least some of the genes involved in melanocyte migration and survival may play a role similar as in other animals. 3 genotypes possible with the white spotting gene, with capital S standing for a wild-type copy and lowercase s standing for the mutant. The lack of tabby striping in bicolor cats is controlled by the agouti protein, which inhibits the production of melanin and thus prevents the formation of dark hair colors. In agouti cats, the gene is turned on and off as the hair grows, producing hairs with alternating stripes yellow and black. In domestic cats, inactivation of the agouti gene by a deletion mutation causes all black coat color. Tuxedo. A tuxedo cat, or Felix cat in the United Kingdom, is a bicolor cat with a white and black coat. They are called tuxedo cats because they appear to be wearing the type of black tie formal wear commonly known in the United States and Canada as a tuxedo. The tuxedo pattern is not limited to the color black, but the name is typically reserved for black and white cats. Most tuxedo cats are also black mask cats, a common name for felines who, due to their facial coloration, look as if they are wearing a black mask over their eyes, and often over their entire head. To be considered a true tuxedo cat, the feline's coloring should consist of a solid black coat, with white fur limited to the paws, belly, chest, throat, and often the chin, although many tuxedo cats appear to sport goatees, due to the black coloration of their mandible, that is, the lower jaw and chin. Bicolor may also appear in the skin color. Paw pads may be black or pink, often matching the coat in that area. If the color boundary crosses the underside of the paw, the pads on either side may be different colors or even bicolored. White muzzles or vertical stripes are a common attribute of tuxedo cats. In popular culture. In the United Kingdom, the tuxedo cat became depicted as the jellicle cat in the fictional tribe of nocturnal black and white cats described by T.S. Eliot in Old Possum's Book of Practical Cats, which was first published in 1939. In its derivative musical, Cats, the tuxedo cat is exemplified by the character of the magical Mr. Mistopheles, who is portrayed as a stage magician wearing a lacy ruff and bow tie, as well as the character Bustopher Jones, whose outfit consists of a tuxedo and spats. The musical differed from the book in that the characters included cats with many different coat colors, rather than just bicolor cats, but it retains the repeated assertion that jellicle cats are black and white. Cats with these markings also played a starring role in the drawings illustrating The Unadulterated Cat, a book written by Terry Pratchett, with cartoons by Gray Jolliffe. Other well-known cartoon bicolor cats include Sylvester the Cat, Felix the Cat, Tom Cat from Tom and Jerry, Crazy Cat, Jess from Postman Pat, Kitty Softpaws from the Shrek spin-off Puss in Boots, Figaro, Beans and Sebastian the Cat from Josie and the Pussycats. A bicolor cat named Mittens is one of the main characters in the 2008 Disney animated film Bolt. Aldwin from The Familiars is a tuxedo cat, while Meow Rice, voiced by Paul Frees, from Gay Puri is a bicolor. A tuxedo cat is also the protagonist of the popular children's book Tip Top Cat, and another is one of the 3 breeds of cats in the video game Minecraft. Morgana, a playable character in the JRPG Persona 5, is a bicolor cat. Bo, a character from the TV series Abby Hatcher, is a fuzzly who resembles a tuxedo cat. Hatcher is a fuzzly who